Hello, good morning. This is Room Service Department. This is Divine speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. Can I order my breakfast?
Certainly, ma'am. But before I take your order, do you have your menu? It is located on the table beside your bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. May I know your name and room number, please?
My name is Divine Grace and room 314.
Okay, ma'am. If you're ready to order now, may I take your order now?
Can I order American breakfast, scrambled egg, white toast with butter, porridge served with cold milk, orange juice, sausage, and hot tea?
Okay, ma'am. May I suggest to you our orange juice? It is also under your continental of breakfast. Would you like me to add it in your breakfast, ma'am?
No.
Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your order? You ordered American breakfast, scrambled egg, white toast with butter, porridge served with cold milk, orange juice, sausage, and hot tea.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Are you paying cash or charge it to your room?
Just charge it to my room.
Okay, ma'am. Your order will be served within 15 minutes. Is there anything else that I can do for you, ma'am?
No thanks.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you and have a nice day. Go.
Yes.
Good day, ma'am. I am Divine Grace Magsino, your room service attendant for today. Is this the room of Ishayna Consol of room 341?
Yes.
May I come in?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Where would you like me to place your food? Would you like me to set up the table for you? No. Would you like me to open the curtain for you?
No.
Is the aircon temperature okay?
Yes.
Or would you like me to adjust it? Would you like me to turn on the TV for you?
No.
Alright, ma'am. Allow me to present your food to you. This is your order American breakfast, scrambled egg, white toast with butter, porridge, served with cold milk, orange juice, sausage, and hot tea.
Yes, those are perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome, ma'am. Is there anything else that I can help with?
I'm all good. Thank you.
Here is your bill, ma'am. May I have your signature, please? Thank you, ma'am. I will come back after 45 minutes to pick up the tray, or you may leave it outside your door when you are done. Thank you and have a great day.
Thank you.